need Pringles? Tell Daddy.
What do you need?
Pringles.
Pringles? It's okay. She's trying to look at me around the camera.
Pringles.
You don't like Pringles? Do you want a bottle?
So early in the morning.
Get Pringles in a minute. Can you go get another present to open?
Be so mean, angry,
She
Daddy.
wants Pringles.
Wow.
What's that? What's that?
My car.
You got a guitar. Baby, look.
Yay!
It's a guitar. Cool, huh? She can play too.
She can play.
Yeah, she can play.
This one don't work.
That's a good guitar.
This one's monitor like your guitar.
Yeah, we can play together.
It's so heavy.
Remember, don't turn those. Yeah. If we turn those, then it doesn't sound pretty.
See, that's monitor like our guitar.
Yeah, I like it.
Get a guitar.
Said I'm going to new monitor.
Yeah, can you play it?
Hey, what's this? Spider-Man. Some cool Spider-Man stuff, bud. Wow.
Spider-Man.
Let's see if I can operate both.
Wow, look at this book. Look. Wow, finer book, huh? That's really nice. Say thank you. Okay. And then here's another cool toy. You want to open this one? Kirsten, look at this one. Kirsten.
It just died and told me to change the batteries.
Wow, what's this? Wow, it's the nativity set.
Wow.
Wow. See, it's baby Jesus. Yeah, we can tell you
That's
his
cool.
story. Don't know what happened. Wow. It's baby Jesus' birthday, huh? Yeah.
Say happy birthday, Jesus.
Happy birthday, Jesus. I got, Mommy.
Turn and show Daddy.
Look, Daddy.
What is it?
Wow!
What is it?
I don't know.
It looks like a kite.
This is President Woody kite.
Wow, look at that.
We open
Oh, we will. We'll open everything. Look at this. It's books.
Oh wow.
Princess books.
Mhm.
Those are nice. Okay, we still have even more, don't we? Right there.
Look!
Wow, that's huge. That's a huge big present, isn't it? Take out the bow.
Mhm.
Oh, come over here, bud.
What is it?
Come here, so you can open it. Here you go. Right here.
What I got? Wow!
Wow, it's a keyboard.
It's like Mommy's piano.
It's a little piano for Christian, baby. Isn't that cool?
Wow, we're gonna have a little band going with guitars and pianos.
Oh, we will. We'll open everything in just a little bit. Oh. Daddy can see.
Where's the- It's Hungry Hungry Hippo.
Yay!
Hungry Hungry Hippo. That's what they say.
All right, there's one more. This one's from Anthony C. Anthony and Kezia. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
There you go.
What I got?
Oh,
Wow! In the box. It's not. Wow!
these are flowers.
Wow. What is it?
Wow!
It's a little suitcase carrying.
Wow!
Whoa, look at that. That's so cool. It's like a little racetrack. And then you can keep all your cars in here too.
Wow, Kristen, that's cool.
That is really neat. So thank you.
Thank you.
So thank you, Adrian.
Thank you.
Say thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa, for bringing all the
One more.
Open this.
Wow. Let's see what this is.
Wow!
Wow.
We open that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And open that, Mommy.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Santa. Goodbye, Christmas. Goodbye, Santa.
Baby, say Merry Christmas.
Can you say Merry